to be you. Been soaking so long, your head's hanging down, your face stuck in a frown. Well, listen, baby, I'm done trying to keep it together and wondering whether I'm right or I'm wrong. And all I need is a song. Let's sing it together.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So today is rainy day and we're here at Heritage Festival. So dito sa my Borden Park. Nilipat na dati sa Horelac Park pero since under renovation ang Horelac, so it's now here at Borden Park. Okay, so here we are. Yan, so ito na yung mga different booths. So by the way, the Heritage Festival is one of the largest festival here in Edmonton. It's happening 3 days every summer. So nag-start to last August 2 nung Sabado. Right now is Monday and it's holiday actually. So it's actually a festival where different immigrants showcase their food, cultures, and traditions. Let's start checking the booth right away. It's turkey. So doner ang pagkain nila. Souvenir. Oh, mga snack items. Challenge lang kasi muulan. This Ghana. So chinek na namin yung menu sa website, meron na nakapublish. So yung binata ko, ang gusto raw niyang i-check is Malaysia, Singapore, France, and Colombia. I thought you wanted to try an African barbecue. If you see one. Kasi last time, hindi namin matry. And this is the China Pavilion. Marami din silang food, oh. Okay, so we're just going around now. This is the Indian Pavilion. Lang nagdala kami ng payo. Challenge, oh. The Scandinavian Pavilion. So, natapos na naming maikot itong first part. Meron pa palang kabilang part daw. So, we need to go back to where we entered. Mukhang yung mga hinahanap naming most pavilions nandun sa kabila. And this is Australia. Meron na naman silang kangaroo tsaka Vegemite. You wanna try the Vegemite, my son? It's Portugal. Tignan ka lang natin kung anong pagkain nila. Their food, ayan o, sardinas, pork sandwich, bolo, ano yan? The bacalwa. Siyempre, yung kanilang Portuguese custard. Okay, moving on, dun sa kabilang area naman doon. Dun sa banda ron, that's the Expo Center. Diyan naman ginanap yung K-Days naman recently. So here's the second area. So it's already past 12, gutom na kami. Dapat nung Sabado pa kami, kaya lang, ang lalakas ng thunderstorm ng Saturday. Ay, itong binata ko pala nag-driving lesson din. And then, supposedly kahapon, nung chinek namin yung weather, naulan din. Supposedly, the weather should have been better today. Kaya lang, hindi, umuulan din. Pero I think around 2 p.m., 3 p.m. titigil na yung ulan. Kaya lang, for the last day until 5 o'clock na lang magsasarado na to. Azerbaijan. I'm curious what do they have there. Peru. Let's check food ng Azerbaijan. A kebab. See, beef kebab, baklava, dolma. Tinatanong ko binata ko, we go left first or we go right first? Left daw. So we're seeing Philippines Pavilion. Okay, the corner track for the Philippines Pavilion. Chinek namin yung menu kagabi. Ang dami. Parang nasa 20 yata lahat ng mga foods. Ayan, mga Filipiniana. Oh, pearls. Let's see. Oh, the pearls. Kaya lang mahal to. These are the Filipino foods. Dami, oh. Oh, barbecue, sisig, dinuguan. Red hot dog. Move on na kami. Siguro pass muna. Pero mamaya they have halo-halo, my son. Parang I want the halo-halo. Pag hindi na umuulan. Pero for now, we want to try foods that we haven't tried before. Or maybe, basta ibang cuisine naman. Pang mga booth doon sa kabila. Dito pa lang kami. This is Sudan. Meron naman pala silang mapa. Kasi maluwag pala. This is already the second location, but then again there's one more over there, didiretso doon. Okay, so ito yung map. Ikot lang daw muna kami kasi mas maganda pa rin makita mo yung food talaga and it looks appetizing. Serbia. Actually, ito rin yung exhibition ground kung saan ginaganap ang K-Days kasi nandun yung Klondike ko. mostly naman pala lahat ng gusto namin nandito. So, dito na tayo. Oh, racing slots. Hindi ko pa napuntahan to. Seeing France na doon. There's also Germany in there. Ito kami. We'll start here sa kaliwa. This is Ecuador. Ito yung menu nila. Empanada and skewers. This is the Germany menu. Of course, bratwurst and beer. Pero non-alcoholic. Ang luwag pala nito, ang dami. So, most likely, dito na kami tatambay sa pangatlong area na to hanggang hapon na. Yung dalaga ko mahabol eh, so maya-maya sunduin ko siya sa may harapan. And by the way, they're not giving out tickets this time. So, pwede na magbayad dun sa mga pavilion na mismo. They accept daw debit and credit. Yan, umaaraw na, tumigil na yung ulan. That's nice. This is Ireland. Yan o, first day in Thailand. Okay, here Thailand. Gusto ko yung mango sticky rice nila. Okay, so here we go, Colombia. Order daw siya nung Colombian coffee. This is espresso? Oh, okay. Oh, you do it first. Strong? Na kami talaga, so kailangan nang makahanap ng lunch. Let's see, maybe Lebanon, baka meron silang rice. So siguro gagawin na lang namin, order kami ng isang meal sa bawat mga pavilion na gusto namin i-try, tapos share na lang. Then this is Japan. Check natin. Okay, let's go. Pero pag dito, balls ang gusto ko. Lang natin yung Japanese food. Okonomiyaki, onigiri, kakigori. Wala yata silang barbecue, yakitori. Okay, so maganda na yung panahon. Ang problema, ang init naman ngayon. Anyways, let's just enjoy this. So wala pa siyang mapili, pero babalikan ko doon yung shawarma later. Okay, this is Korea Pavilion. Ang tanong, kukuha pa kami ng Korean food. Lagi na nga kami nagluluto niyan. Israel. May mga available naman ng mga sa mga gilid-gilid. Now, kukuha pa kami ng more food dito sa area na to. Nandito daw ang Indonesian, Singaporean, Jamaican. Let's see. Daw ng line ng Malaysia, Singapore. Let's try Jamaica. Okay, let's go. Sa Indonesia, meron din silang mga satay. Yan o, chicken satay. May combo with rice. May mie goreng. Rendang. Lumpia. So, Timor kami. Ito muna kunan namin dito sa Indonesia. Then yung pinata ko punta siya ng Jamaican. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's try the lumpia. How come Indonesia calls it lumpia na rin? Isa din lumpia Filipino? Indonesian satay. Yung Jamaican jerk chicken dapat naubos na daw. Support na lang yung nakuha niya. I'm gonna give this a try. I haven't tried yet this. No, this is jerk pork from Jamaica. Lasa ng barbecue. Tapos rice with beans. Sarap din ng rice neto, tsaka yung beef, ay yung pork. Etong sa atin, sarap din ng sauce. Ang sarap isama dun sa rice.
You got this. You got this. And goodness. I don't know if it's only 3 more to go. Right. Get on the beat, get your vibe going. That's all you need. The right energy, the right vibe, a little bit of balance, and you're good to go. My goodness. And that's the limbo. Three quarters, only the neck. What's gonna happen? Oh, okay. That's the limbo. Shaping the way you listen to the music. My goodness, it's serious. We don't know. That's a limbo. That's a limbo.
Yeah, that's a good one. Limbo game. The Singapore line is shorter now. Let's go. Dito kami, nag-order kami Singapore. Siyempre, ano pa? Kaya toast, satay, at saka Milo Dinosaur. Durian ice cream, it's sold out. Dinosaur, satay, laksa. Oh, yun yung Milo Dinosaur. Kaya toast. Satay. We got the beef. Okay, syempre, we love Singapore. Ano pa nga ba, di? Singaporean food. Kaya toast. It's a bit sweet. Okay lang. Okay, then let's try the beef satay.
Satay is good.
Satay is good.
I think they use the kaya butter.
Mas chewy nga lang kasi beef. Pero mas gusto ko yung sauce ng ano, Indonesian. You can have the bread. Kaya na? Akin na lang. Okay, actually nabusog na kami. Pero lakad-lakad lang muna. We're gonna check the shops hanggang magutom ulit kasi marami pa kaming gusto i-try. Check the shops here. Okay, where's it now? Check out the shops. Okay, let's go. Okay, so tingin muna kami ng mga shops habang nagpapagutom. Okay, so dito naman kami sa Vietnam. We're gonna check the merch also. Gusto raw ng mga anak ko yung rice hat. We wanted to try the coffee here later. So for now, yung mga merch muna. Let's see. Go check how much.
This from Vietnam. I live here, so okay.
Yan, 29 daw to. This is 29. This is 25. 20, 15. This one, oh, black pearl. Cute na ito. Pero look. Bet ng mga anak ko yung sombrero, Vietnamese hat, and yung umbrella. Okay, let's go. What next? Okay, ay, check nyo yung ano, yung food. Yeah, we're gonna check the food muna dito sa Vietnam. And meron silang vermicelli, onion cake, and Vietnamese iced coffee later. Ayan, meron silang mojito, piña colada, sandwiches, tortillas. And they have this nice cafe over here. Where else to go? Where to go next? Poland? You wanna check Poland? Philippines. Oh, the merch for the Philippines. Let's go check also. Okay. It's 3:15 PM. Oh, ang dami ng tao. Mas marami na right now. Okay, check lang namin muna yung merch ng Taiwan. Pili daw siya ng bracelet. Mura lang eh. $3, $4, $5.
Right, before we take a break, we have another song for you. And then come back after 30 minutes, alright?
Okay, we're checking the merch.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! Isang sigawan dyan! Yung mga nakapila dyan. Thank you guys for supporting our pavilion. Without you.
Okay, let's go check the merch over there. Mamaya, halo-halo. Want to go inside? Doon? May pa-taste test sila, oh. Okay, asan pa ibang merch? Let's check the other merch. Kuha rin kami itong lianera para sa leche flan. Alin? Oo nga, parang yung traditional. Hindi, pinaglagyan talaga nila. Parang yung mga loot sa palengke natin, di ba? Natuwa sila doon sa sa bag nung pinaglagyan ng lianera ko. Ito oh. Kasi ito yung pamalengke natin nung araw, di ba? Okay, bibili lang kami ng hotdog dito sa Philippines. Tapos natambay kami dun sa Vietnamese pavilion. Then bili kami dun ng Vietnamese iced coffee. Here you go. Medyo may pila, pero pila tayo. Ang haba ng pila ng Philippines, oh. So, diretso na lang kami sa Vietnamese pavilion. Okay, so we're back here at Vietnam. Time to rest. Iced coffee and 1 onion.
2 more, please.
2 more? So, rest lang muna kami dito sa Vietnamese pavilion. Kasi maganda nasa hilong. And we got the iced Vietnamese coffee. And we have the onion cake with chili sauce. Relax na lang kami dito, nagpapahinga. Finishing ng kape. Parang hindi na kami makakakain pa, busog na rin eh. Akala namin makakakain pa kami ng marami. Marami pa kami hindi na-try. Kaya lang lahat kami suko na. But it's fun. Parang masarap pala pumunta dito multiple days. Para matry ko talaga yung ibang pagkain. Okay, we're moving along. Kasi 4:30 na, in 30 minutes, baka mag-pack up na sila. Hindi pa namin na-check ang China Pavilion. Very popular yung rice hat. Tinatanong kami kung saan namin kinuha. Never tried pala Poland this year. Sarap yung Polish sausage nila eh. Pa pala na-try yung churros sa sa Spain Pavilion. Wala na. Hindi na kaya ng tiyan. Okay, nagmamadali yung mga Junakis ko. China daw. Kasi parang gusto na naman nila ng mga plushies. Ang dami ng tao, oh. Pasarado na yan. Okay, last stop namin, China. Oh, there's Panda.
No, it's a sport. So if it's a sport, it's for everyone. Everyone is welcome.
Mga to, fortune stick, $2. We go, China Pavilion. Doon ito mga anak ko kung anong hinahanap nila dito. Panda bear. Ano na? Kuha din pala ako nitong pang frame. Ganda ng design. Yan, ganyan nakuha ko pero mas malaki. It was also nice.